Hey guys, what it do, baby? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So before we even get into the video, ignore my two pimples. I have no idea where they came from. This one needs to burst, but I don't think I'll burst it. I'll just let it do what it's doing, because if I burst it, it will just be another mark on my face, right? So we're just not gonna, we're not gonna, okay? So y'all will be getting ready with me while I'm going to work, and I'm just gonna be talking because I feel like a lot has gone on into my life. I need to explain to you guys where I've been. I don't need to, but I want to, like, tell you guys where I'm at, what to expect, and you know, all that good stuff. But while I'm doing that, we're gonna put on my headband wig. This is what's gonna be under it. This is the mess that's gonna be under it. And yeah, because I don't have time. Like, that's why I really f with this, because it's like, just slap it on and go. Like, it's really quick, it's really simple, it's really easy. Like, I just feel like it's the best. If you don't have a headband wig, invest in one. This one, I got that, what, I cannot remember when I got it, but I got it sometime this year. And yeah, I think I paid like $90, and I paid $27 to clear it. But anyways, we're gonna start off with this is an oil I got from a friend. The funny story behind this oil, I'm not gonna show the front of it, but the funny thing about this oil is my friend came to comb and they left it. So, you know, I'm like using it because it has a lot of mixed ingredients in it. So a lot of good mixed ingredients in it. So I'm gonna be using it, and yeah, because I mean, it's oil. So what I'm gonna do is just like oil these parts, like just the sections of my hair. My hair is washed and I did condition it and stuff, so that's why it's in big clouds, because they should wait and corner it. But nah, that's what I wanted to do. That was like the quickest and easiest thing to do. And my scalp was already hurting me, so I was like, you know what, let me just do what I need to quickly, you know. But anyways, first things first, where have I been? Actually, I've just been taking a break from social media. Well, somewhat of a break. I mean, I would still be posting and stuff like that, but I wasn't posting how I was posting last year, because I felt like last year I was more consistent. I was doing way more than this year. But yeah, I finally decided, like, you know, what I want to do and stuff like that. I've already set a plan and all that. It's just a matter of putting it into work, you understand? You cannot manifest something and not do the work. So anyways, guys, I have added edge booster. I've been using this from the time I've been up here. So yeah, you guys know about my businesses. Like, last year I have started multiple businesses, and I feel like I rushed into them. I didn't take my time into it. I didn't think it through. Well, I did think it through, but not the way I was supposed to, you know. So yeah, and they both failed, I would say. Lost out some money, but that's for next video. I'm gonna talk to you guys about that in another video, not this video. This video is just an update, giving you like just the top layer of what's going on right now. And yeah, so this year also I have made like new friends, genuine friends. Not saying that the previous years I haven't met genuine friends, but I would say like this year, the friends that I've made, I also lost friends. Well, not lost friends, like when I say lost friends, we're not how we were before. Oh yes, before I move on, you guys will meet them eventually, but for now, no. But if you're following me on Instagram, you probably have seen them though, because I have been posting like little videos on Instagram and stuff like that. So if you're following me on Instagram, you've probably seen them. And also, I'm also in a new relationship. Maybe that one, like, maybe that one I might introduce you to guys. Introduce them to you guys, because I feel like y'all gonna like it. Y'all gonna mess with it, because I mean I have been throwing little hints on Instagram. Again, if you're not following me, go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, y'all gonna love them. Yes guys, after what happened last year, like with my whole business situation, I sat back and like, you know, I thought, and I am gonna, well, I have somewhat started, but I haven't started, but I'm making my way to the top. But it's like slowly but surely type of thing. But like I said, I was rushing last year. I was selling sunglasses, I was selling lip care products, so it was double R lip care, and I had bossy eye look. So, you know, I was trying to sell two separate things, and I just felt like I went about it wrong. I needed to like focus on one thing and this, that, and the other. So I've literally let go of two businesses, and I have like a whole bunch of stocks. Well, not a whole bunch of stock, but I have some items there. I still have some lip glosses, I still have some lip balms, I still have sunglasses there. If I let me know if you guys, let me know if you think I should do a giveaway. Let me know if you think I should do a giveaway, because I really don't mind doing a giveaway. Also, ooh, sorry guys, I'm just making sure my edges like are on flattity flat. Yeah, so if you guys want to follow my business page, I promise y'all this will be one of the last business pages you'll follow it for a while. So please go follow my business page. It's Rainy Beauty Imperial. In this, I have like a bunch of different plans for it. Well, when I say a bunch of different plans, I mean everything is in the same aspect, but it's just a matter of me going and get my certificates for it. Well, not all, but most of the things that I will be offering. So yeah, but so far all I am doing is microlinks, and also I'm installing wigs. So if you're in Toronto and you need your hair installed, you need, you know, you want to put microlinks, I got you. I already have all my pricings planned out. I have like I basically have the basics set out, because I'm not as big yet, I'm still growing, so therefore I just have like, you know, the minimum. And also I don't charge much, so DM me and I'm gonna hook you guys up, period. Like, that's that. So I have water in this, and I'm just gonna wet this wig. Most times when I'm in a hurry, I use my fingers, because like, you see how I just passing it? That's what I usually do. I used to use a brush, but when I realized like my fingers, the curls last a little better, then yeah. And this, y'all, this foaming wrap, I'm not gonna say too much. Yeah, I'm not gonna say too much, because ain't nobody sponsoring me. Even if I just, you know, I'm not gonna see too much. You'll just figure it out on your own, you understand? Oh, by the way, guys, I put a ponytail in it, so it's like a half up, half down. I'm planning on bringing to you guys vlogs. I'm planning on bringing hair videos, makeup videos, so you know, you'll have a little bit of everything. But yeah, I already have the next video planned out. Just clip it in, and then there's a clip at the back. I don't want to turn it, so I'm just gonna, you know, just clip it. There's a clip at the back, so you just hook it under after you tack it or whatever. But yeah, so you'll be getting vlogs, but I'll also be the challenges. I'm not too sure about. Maybe not. We'll see if I'll do challenges. But for the month of December, I should be recording and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, if you see I'm not recording, please message me and be like, hey, where's the next video? Hit me up. Don't be scared. I don't bite. But yeah, this is how it looks. Bonito, quick, easy, simple. I usually do that in less than the time I took there, but you know, I have to talk to you guys, so that's that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video, and let me know down in the comments what other videos you guys want to see. I have my videos that I want you guys to see, so please let me know what videos you guys want to see from me. But yeah, I have new content coming soon. Same content, new content. Gonna put it together. I'm gonna try my best to make time, because like I said, full-time school, full-time work, and I'm just doing this video because I have a little time in between. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. I learned so much. Invest in a headband wig saves you. But yeah, that's just about it. Anyways, guys, bye.